Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I'm not sharing a recipe. I'm not sharing a lunch idea that I packed for the kids. I'm sharing a recommendation of a little tiny nebulizer that I just purchased off of Amazon. And I'm sort of even embarrassed to say that as a pharmacist, as a mom of 3, I just found this thing. I just wanted to show you the comparison between this little guy that mainly even fits in the hand and this thing that we've been using for years. And can't say bad things about this guy. It's been lasting. It's still going strong, but it's huge. It's bulky. It goes into the electricity and it does make a lot of noise. So as the kids were small, they were afraid of the noise that it made. And I just want to, for example, show you the amount of noise that this thing produces. It's loud. It's loud. And so I found this thing because we're going on a trip, and of course somebody has to get sick. It doesn't happen any other way. So just want to show you how this guy works. So basically it's a tiny little nebulizer. It has a compartment. Well, it runs on batteries, so it has batteries. It also has a charger included with it, so you can charge it. It has an adult mask, so it could be used for adults. It has a child mask, could be used for kids. Okay, so it also comes with this attachment, a manual, and a cool little pouch that you can use to take it along with you on trips or wherever you may need it. So the main thing that I use here, you can get it prescribed by your doctor, is the sodium chloride inhalation solution, 0.9%. We use it religiously whenever the child feels either a cough coming on, some nasal congestion, some stuffiness, some leakage. It helps in many situations. So basically, I would put the vial, the contents of the vial, into this little compartment. Spill it in here. I went kind of fast here. Okay, close it up. And that's it. And you press this button. There is no noise. It is small. Kid is not afraid of it. It's amazing, I don't know. Can make it a little less. And the third time that you press on it, it goes to a full stop. So in conclusion, it's super convenient, not as scary as the big one. You could take it on the go. You could put any solution prescribed by your doctor into this. Asthmatics can use it, adults can use it, kids can use it. You feel something happening, cold coming on. Saline is one of those things that you can kind of say is adverse effect free. There's no side effects. So yeah, it's a pretty nice unit. I will put a link in the description to this item. Please feel free to check it out.